Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to our professional CSS mastery course. And today class we are going to learn one of the most important concept and CSS selector. Before CSS can style any HTML element, it must first know which element to target. CSS selector are the mechanism that allow us to select HTML elements and apply style to them. So today topics are element selector, class selector, ID selector, universal selector, group selector and attribute selector. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how professional developer target HTML elements efficiently and write clean and reusable CSS code. Element selector. An element selector select HTML element based on their tag name. This means whenever you write the name of an HTML tag in CSS, every element with that tag name received the specified style. Let's take the example. Let's understand this example step by step. We create 3 paragraph elements. In a CSS we write the P, then the declaration block, and then the color, and then font size. The color is blue and font size is 22 pixel. The selector is simply P tag, which tells CSS find every P elements on this page. Because there are 3 paragraph elements, all 3 receive the same styling. So all text become blue and font size change to 22 pixel. Element selector are commonly used for styling paragraph, heading, buttons, images, tables, which every element of the same type should have a constant appearance. Class selector. A class selector select HTML elements using their class attributes. Unlike an element selector, a class selector can target multiple different HTML elements that share the same class name. Let's take the example. Notice that each element has class highlight. So in a CSS we write dot highlight and then the declaration block background blue. So the dot tells CSS that we are selecting a class and every element having class is equal to highlight receive the same styling. So that's make CSS reusable because one class can style many different elements. So some real world example. Classes are used for buttons, cards, alerts, navigation menu, product box. So professional developers use class extensively because they keep CSS organized and reusable. ID selector. An ID selector targets one unique HTML element using its ID attributes. So each ID should only be used once on a web page. Let's take the example. Here the div has ID is equal to header. In a CSS we write hash header and then declaration block and the declaration is background. The hash symbol tells CSS to target the element whose ID is header. So only that one element receive these styles. Some real world example. ID are commonly used for website headers, footers, sidebar, navigation, JavaScript interaction. So remember, one page, one unique ID. Universal selector. The universal selector selects every HTML element on the web page. It represented by an asterisk. So let's take the example. Asterisk is the selector and that is the declaration block, and inside and declaration block is margin, padding, box sizing, font family. So the selector means apply these styles to every elements, means on every heading, every paragraph, every button, every div tag, every image inherits these styles. So takes a real world example. Professional developers often use this selector at the beginning of CSS file to remove browsing default spacing, reset margins, reset paddings, apply consistent fonts and set box sizing, border box. So use it carefully because it affects every element. Group selector. A group selector applies the same CSS rules to multiple selectors by separating them with commas. So let's take the example. Instead of writing H1, H2, then P 3 separate times, same styling, we combine them with commas. H1, then comma, H2, then comma, and then P, and a last declaration block. So now all 3 receive identical styling. So this makes CSS shorter, cleaner, and easier to maintain. Let's take the real world example. Group selector are perfect when several elements should share color, font, spacing, line height. So professional developers use these techniques to reduce duplicate code. Attribute selector. An attribute selector select HTML element based on the presence or value of an attribute. So instead of styling by tag, class or ID, it select HTML using attribute such as type, href, target, disable placeholder. So let's take the example. The selector is targets only link whose attribute exists. So a target is the attribute is equal to underscore blank is the value. So similarly, input is the tag element and then type is the attributes and email is the value. So styling only email input field. Other links or input remain unchanged. Let's run any browser. Real world example. Attribute selector are commonly used for forms, external links, button, file upload, validation styling. So they provide precise controls over a specific HTML element. Congratulations, you have completed day 2 of the Professional CSS Mastery course. So today we have learned how CSS identifies and styling HTML element using different selector. So let's quickly review. Element selector target HTML elements, class selector styling multiple elements with same class, ID selector target one unique element, universal selector style every element on the page, group selector apply the same styling to multiple selector, and attribute selector target element using their attributes.